Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel. And if you need to connect with me on social media, I will I will provide profile link in the description box. Please check it. And if you join my Telegram group for job update, please join with please join my telegram group also. This link also I give you in description box. Let's start our job update. Our first job is from Groww is hiring for content writer intern. This is job description, and this is Groww vision, and this is Groww value. This is your job requirement: to write meaningful content about finance, mutual fund, stock, personal finance related topics, keeping in mind and editorial guidelines. To conduct research to identify online committees, trading topics, and new content idea to add to the Groww content respectively. You have a skill need like excellent written and verbal communication skill is required, excellent research skill to finance, to find out industry related topics, knowledge of SEO, best practice is weak plus, must have eye for detail, correct spot grammatical error and rectify the same. This is a skill required all. Then after how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Ultra Alt Altrata. Altrata is hiring for research analyst. This is about company, and this is profile is research analyst, and key responsibility is in-depth secondary research using open source intelligence, your knowledge of data collection, verification, synthesis, and analysis, compilation of compilation of information into a comprehensive office covering of an individual life and career history. This is about your key roles and responsibility here. Your requirement is you have completed your bachelor degree in any field or relevant experience. Recent graduates are encouraged to apply for this job. This is you have knowledge of Microsoft Excel, and you are good in both English spoken and English written. Advanced and analytical and logical reasoning is must. Then how to apply? You have simply click apply for this job and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Groww again. Groww is hiring for business analyst role. For this is job description, and this is Groww value and all. This is your responsibility: conduct comprehensive data analysis using advanced SQL and Python. In Python, you have knowledge of pandas, NumPy, skitlearn, support business decision and strategy, develop and maintain ETL pipelines from source such as API, Kafka, and your knowledge of this all about Tableau and Data Studio to visualize data and track performance. After that, you have a job requirement like if you have experience of 1 to 2 year of experience, then you have apply on that. You have knowledge of advanced SQL must. Then you have a strong knowledge of Python, including libraries like Panda, NumPy, skitlearn. Then after you have knowledge of ETL, Kafka, PySpark, Airflow, and API data instruction. You knowledge of you have knowledge of ML algorithm is a plus for you. Then how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Barclays is hiring for internship. This is internship job description, and this is a key role. Area of expertise is campus and this is about this is summer internship, and this is your job description. I think you have a knowledge of OOPS, Java, C, C++, J2EE, Oracle, Hibernate, WebLogic, Spring, or mainframe technology. You have need, then you have simply apply for that. Our next job is for as intern role, and time is not fixed, and this is unpaid internship for you. And location is Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Pune, and Bengaluru. And start in 1 to 3 months. This is actually a this is actually a internship role, and this is your role is backend developer, and and industry is management and consulting. Department is software and QA, quality analyst, and employment type is full time and permanent. Role is software development, and your education need record like B.Tech in computer science and M.Tech in computers. Then how you can apply for this job? You have simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is from senior analyst in advanced SQL from auction partner. He is hiring for Gurugram, India location, and this is his job description. This is your key responsibility here, and this is other details like mostly important ability to learn a lot of things. Then how you can apply it, and what is the requirement for that. You have knowledge of TSQL, MySQL, PLSQL is need, and then how to apply this job. You simply click I am interested and you fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my channel.